When you are driving a double lane roundabout, you have to put a exit signal when you are exiting the roundabout. Double lane roundabouts are there in Blacktown RMS area, Castle Hill RMS area, as well as Bankstown RMS area. So I'm going to show you when you should put the left exit signal, and that is a left exit signal. You have to do it when you are exiting the roundabout. So let's do it. Show you this one in a Castle Hill area, and we are going to do this double lane roundabout, which have got 2 lanes from one side and 1 lane from one side. So have a look. So I'm going to take a third exit. So indicator should be on around 30 to 60 meters before the turning. So you enter the roundabout, and this is where halfway put left indicator on now. So when you are halfway through, when you are about to exit, then you have to put the right indicator, left indicator on. I'm going to do it one more. So I'm going to take another third exit at the roundabout. So we're turning. As we are going to exit, put left indicator now. Show you. So this is the roundabout. I'm going to do it. It has got 2 lanes. I'm going to go straight, which is the second exit. As you can see that there's a lot of traffic. So you enter the roundabout safely. When you're halfway through here, then you put left indicator now.